So hello people, hello friends, how are you? Welcome to our channel Mac Gamer. Alright, in this video we are going to talk about how to set ringtone from Spotify in 2024. Alright, there are so many updates happening in this year. Spotify has changed so many things and how you can easily set ringtone from Spotify in 2024. Today we are going to discuss this on this channel Mac Gamer. Easy, fact-checked solutions you won't get anywhere, alright? This Mac Gamer channel provides you solutions only after getting through all the facts. So be aware of liking this video and subscribing to this channel because you will be needing this channel in the future. Mark my words, you will be needing this channel in the future. All your technical queries will be solved in this channel. Whenever you comment anything related to your technical queries, we do create videos on it. So be ready to get into a Mac Gaming family. And also there is a link in the description. It is a website, our website, which is macgamer.com. Do visit macgamer.com after this video finishes. So let's just start on this video. How to set ringtone from Spotify 2024. Alright, so we'll need three sources. First, we'll need GarageBand app. Second, we'll need Ringtone Maker. You see these two apps in the bottom of the screen, just in the bottom line, GarageBand and Ringtone Maker. We'll need these two applications. As well, we'll go into a website, which I'll be showing in this video itself. Alright, so from start to end, what I need from you as a viewer is don't skip any of the step. Don't skip any of the step. This is really an easy procedure how to set ringtone from Spotify. Alright, you just need to be in the video from start to end and don't miss any of the step. It's really easy. First thing, the first step, what you'll do, you'll go to Spotify. Alright, when going into Spotify, you'll just select any of the song which you need to set the ringtone of. Alright, so if we choose this song, Laboko, alright, if we click on Laboko, then we just have to go into share option, alright, where did we click the song name and there are three dots in a single line. We do click over there and then we go on share option, which is just in the middle of hide song and go to radio. There's a share button. We just click on share and then we copy the link. Just beside the Instagram messages option, there is a copy link button. We can see it is clearly visible on the screen. We do copy the link. After copying the link, we go into any of the browser. Like any of the browser. You can go to the Google Chrome, Opera Mini, any of the browser and just type it in Spotify downloader. Alright. This website allows us to download songs from Spotify by just entering the link of that specific track. After going into this, you will go on the second website, which is Spotify made. Alright, why I'm telling you to go on the second website? Because the first website is sometimes it is down. So it's better to use a website which is really active these days. So after going into the second website, we'll just paste this link which we copied of that specific desired song, and then we download it. We select the option download MP3. Whatever the ads come, you just need to cancel it. Then we click on download button, and here it is. We can clearly see that our song has been downloaded. All right, here it is. A song has been downloaded successfully. Now there goes the important step. Now you'll just go to Ringtone Maker. You need to install these two applications, alright? GarageBand and Ringtone Maker, you need to have this in your devices. Ringtone Maker, you'll go into the Ringtone Maker. What does Ringtone Maker do? Ringtone Maker converts your full durational song into just a ringtone, a short ringtone of 30 seconds. Alright, here is this ad. We will just cancel the ads. Now friends, these situations can arise when doing this procedure to set ringtone from Spotify. Alright, there will be many ads on each and every applications. So just you need to stay in patience. Alright, hold your patience, carry along and just cut down all the ads. Now we will click on create ringtone from audio, the red colored option. Create ringtone from audio. We'll go on the files. After going into files, we'll select that song which we downloaded and we'll just create a 30 seconds trim. We'll trim it in 30 seconds. It is. And here it is, friends. When we create a 30 seconds trim part, we have this option, click save to create ringtone. We'll just click save. Where? In the top right corner, not on the click save to create ringtone, but on the top right corner there is a save button. We'll click on the save button. After clicking on the save button, alright, we'll click on GarageBand. This pop-up will appear on your screen. We'll click on GarageBand. Alright, after creating this piece of ringtone, after getting into the GarageBand, here we can see that the ringtone maker 2, whichever file you create, it will be in your recent. So the first number is always the file which you have saved. Mark my words carefully and listen to this video carefully, so you'll also be doing the steps with me successfully. Alright, we will keep hold on this file which we saved right now, and we'll click on share button. After clicking on the share option, we get this option as ringtone. After we click on ringtone, there is this pop-up, so we'll just click on continue. After clicking on continue, we can set the name of this ringtone, whatever you need to. We'll just keep it as it is, and we'll click on export, top right again. Okay, export, and here it is. Click on OK. It is exporting as of now. Our ringtone is just exporting. We are just about to create a ringtone and have an end to this procedure. Alright, so ringtone export successful, and now we won't click on OK. We'll click on use sound as. Use sound as standard ringtone. Click on standard ringtone. And that's it. That's it. We have created a successful ringtone out of Spotify audio by going into the website. Then we go into ringtone maker, and then GarageBand helps us to save that ringtone part into our settings of our device. Here we go. We will go into settings. After going into settings, we'll go in sounds and haptics. Sounds and haptics, and then we go to ringtone. Here it is. Ringtone maker. We do have ringtone set here. So friends, this was a video. How did you like it or not? Please comment your thoughts in the comment section, obviously, and any of your queries, we'll try to create a video on that one. And also subscribe to our channel, Mac Gamer, and we'll meet soon. Bye bye. Take care.